beautiful, beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every angle. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing. But nothing can compare to when you're naked. Now we're backward and some penny got you faded. You're saying you're the one for me, I need to face it. Started when we were younger, swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that your mom found out, guess that we just really had the thunder. Ain't nobody else that I be under. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Beautiful, beautiful night right now. No.
Okay, so we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna break the song down into 3 sections. We're gonna learn the chorus, then we're gonna look at the post-chorus, followed by the verse. We're basically going in order of arrangement, and this is the order that you saw me playing to at the beginning in the intro there. So that gives you an idea of how everything's gonna sound in context. With each of those sections, we're gonna look at the chords and timing first, so what chords to play and for how long, and then we're gonna look at the rhythm. So before we zoom in and start learning the song, I mentioned the backing track and the music. That's actually available for you to download. The link will be in the description. When you click the link, there'll be a video at the top of the page. Watch that. It will give you all the information you need to know. There's 3 different versions of the track. You can get it for rhythm guitarists. The second version is for lead guitarists or vocalists. And the third version will have the audio stems. So I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but again, click the link, watch the video at the top. Everything will be explained. So enough talk now, let's zoom in and start learning the song. Okay, so we're in 4/4 standard tuning. We've got the capo on the 2nd fret here, so everything is relative to the capo. Let's start off with the chords. We're gonna need 6 different chords for the entire song. It's an 8-bar progression, which is repeated round and round. So let's quickly go through the chords and then we'll break it down some more. So to start with, we're gonna need a C, then an E7, followed by an A minor 7, and then a G, F, and finishing off with an F minor. So after filming this lesson, I actually decided to make another video. I basically go into some music theory regarding this chord progression here, and essentially use the piano to illustrate the difference between a major and a minor chord. I also talk a bit about chord construction and formulas, so if you want to expand your understanding of music theory, then click the link in the top right hand corner. For now though, let's continue with this lesson. Yeah, and back to the C. So these are all the chords. Let's look at the timing. If you need, just the close-up is pretty extreme so you can see where my fingers are, but if you need the chord diagrams, you can grab the PDF as well. The link is in the description. So the C chord is going to be held for 2 bars, so that's 8 beats, and then you're going to transition to E7. So basically take the 3rd finger off, move up a set of strings. Okay, then you're going to take that shape down a set of strings and you're at A minor 7. Yeah, then we're going to move over to G. I'm only strumming to the B string, and then the F, and then the F minor to finish it off. 4 beats, that gives you your 2nd line, yeah, so 8 bars. In time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So let's look at the rhythm. For the chorus, which is kind of working as an intro here, we're just going to do a single strum on the 1st bar, 2, 3, 4. Then we're just going to literally play on every beat of the 2nd bar and play the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings. Yeah, so let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to the E7, same thing. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exact same thing, just playing the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings instead. When we go to the next line now, it's only a bar per chord, so we're just going to literally strum down. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and so we're just playing semi-breathes or whole notes. Let's move on to the next section, which is the post-chorus. Okay, so the rhythm changes up here in the post-chorus and gets a bit tricky. The first bar on the C actually stays the same, so it's still going to be the strum, and you're going to get your. Then when you hit the E7, we're going to hit our new rhythm, which will be. Okay, so what are we doing there? We've got some arpeggio going on. So actually a really common one for playing in 4/4. Best thing to do is to use your ear to see if you can replicate it first. Look at where my pick's going. We're just going down, catching the 2 strings there. Yeah, so we're just going down, catching the strings, throwing in a little mute, and then down again. So in terms of timing, you've got 1 and 2 and 4 and. Yeah, so that little mute in the middle just adds a little bit of extra spice on there, but you don't have to do it if you can't. Take that same rhythm, move it to the A minor. Yeah, we're only in 1 bar here, so move to the G, same thing. Same on the F. And the F minor. Back to the C. Okay, so that is the rhythm for the post-chorus, and the verse is exactly the same. So you just got to copy that over with any little changes that you made, and that's everything. Okay, there we go. There's the lesson. Hopefully it made sense. As always, if you do have any questions, leave a comment in the description and I'll get back to you. Probably the best way to get in touch with me is via Instagram. All my social links will be in the description. I want to give a quick shout out to Only One Mics, who laced the vocals on the track. Also CP360, who created the track. And if you want to see a short video on how we did that, click the link now. You can also get some hints and tips on working within Logic Pro X. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully I shall see you again soon. Take care.